All right, just a quick tutorial on how to do the character cards today. As you are working through some of the videos, I would like for you to pick one of the cards. I've got some multiple colors on there just in case somebody wants to do a specific color, and do 3 character cards. We're going to do an exemplar here of Benjamin Franklin. And so you can see the different things that you have to do here. Unique characteristics, I changed that to unique facts, a quick description, and then we have these character traits over here that we're going to decide upon, and we're going to, at the end, change this picture, which is probably the easiest thing on the project. As you can see up here about the unique facts about Benjamin Franklin, I said that we owned 2 slaves early in his life, but when he was older and wiser, he became an abolitionist. And as a leader, he asked Congress to grant liberty to the people that were in the bondage of slavery. And then down here in the description, Ben Franklin was a witty, well-liked man. His scientific and political mind kept him very, very busy, but he was always dutiful to his family. He was an ardently devoted friend who would do anything to those close to him. I see some misspellings and things that went on there. So let's go back and fix those because it doesn't look like Grammarly's going to work, or I don't have it cut on. I can check on that. Do with his family, period. And then you can fix that. Again, I'm not going to count off a whole lot if you do make mistakes because we all do that. And we'll be good for that. Now, over here, this is pretty easy. You click on the picture. You can click replace image like we've done in the past. Search the web. I've already searched Ben Franklin. I happen to like this picture. Boom. Now, as you are studying your characters today, you're going to learn about some of, if you can see here, the character traits that they might have. So I said that Ben Franklin had the character trait of silence. I did that for the silence do-good letters. I'm not going to say it was his strongest trait, but it wasn't a weak one as well. So I'm going to give him a 3 on that. So you just click on the little circles, and you're going to give them a score. And so once you clicked on the circles, I don't care what color you fill it in. This is kind of old school Pokemon card-ish for those of us that collected those when we were little, or still collect them. Resolution, these are the things that when he set his mind to it, he was going to stick with something. So again, I think that might be a little bit higher than that. So I'm going to go a little higher in that for resolution. I might give him a 4 in that. Now, if you go back and think about all of the things that Benjamin Franklin did, he was definitely one of the strongest leaders that our country had. So I'm going to go back and give him a 5 in that. Now, if you read a little bit about Benjamin Franklin, one of the things that you'll realize is he had, I don't say he was cocky, but he did have an issue with humility. And when he wrote about the different character traits that he thought that people should express, humility was one of those, and he himself even admitted that humility was one that he struggled with often. So I'm going to give him just a 1 in that. So here is my character card on Benjamin Franklin. Pretty easy to do, I believe. And again, do your best on these. If you get stuck on something, if you mess up a circle, if you mess up one of these or something up here, it's not a big deal. Just do your best on those, and hopefully you're having a great day.